It's 94.7 FM, Blair Radio, our nonprofit news brought to us by RVR Bank. I want to say thank you to RVR Bank for being fantastic partners and being able to help show what's happening in the nonprofit world right here in Washington County. One of the great nonprofits, everybody knows it, but not necessarily as that, but that is Memorial Community Hospital and Health System, being great partners right here on their own within the community and the surrounding areas. So thank you, ladies, for coming in and taking some time with us today.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Thank you.
So we are into October, so things changing around, and I think we'll just jump into what October means. And so that is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, right?
Yes.
And so with that becomes the traditional pink out shirts.
Yep. We're doing some pink out events this year.
Okay.
Something new. Going to each of our local schools for a home volleyball game. And for some of them, they have their own pink out shirts. Mm-hmm. And then a couple will take some of ours that we can sell for people to purchase if they wish. But we're also giving out some pink swag for them to wear at the games. And then we're doing a fun game called Chuck a Duck.
Okay.
So
I think we mentioned that last time you were in. So Chuck a Duck.
Yes.
Okay.
So we have these little pink rubber ducks that we bring with us, and we sell for $1 a piece.
Mm-hmm.
And then between the second and third set, we put a pink ribbon out in the middle of the court. And then everybody can chuck their duck and the closest to the middle of the ribbon is the winner, and they get a prize. We've done it once so far in Fort Calhoun last week, and it went over well. It was great.
It's not as easy as it sounds.
It's not. It's really not. And then all the proceeds from that come back to MCH for the radiology department and women's health. So
yeah. So again, that is a quick reminder to tell everybody it is, get your exams done and be able to be a part of that. But again, make sure people are aware of that whole situation. So you have the Chuck a Duck and your pink out events starting this week.
We did our first one last week at Fort Calhoun. Tomorrow night we're going to be in Tacoma as well as Arlington. Mm-hmm. And then next Tuesday on the 14th we'll be here in Blair.
Okay. So again, where can people find the pink swag to be a part of it too?
So just at the event, we'll have everything at the event. We'll have a table set up, just kind of at the entrance. People can come get some of the free swag. If they want T-shirts, they can buy the T-shirts. Mm-hmm. And then obviously the pink ducks if they want to buy some pink ducks.
All right. So that's, again, the Pink Out Month is coming upon us. If you've missed any of it, don't worry. Yeah, you have another event coming up, and for example, through next Tuesday, be able to follow on. I'm sure that's all on your social media website and all that stuff.
Pink out stuff is not, actually.
We'll have to figure that out.
I need to do that.
All right, so we'll make sure that links over there.
Yes.
Okay, so to-do list. Okay, so we'll get that going. And then we also have Rita joining us today. And what are we talking about over here?
More breast cancer stuff. So I'm the oncology nurse navigator at MCH in the specialty clinic. I work with Dr. Schwartz there. He's from Nebraska Cancer Specialist in Omaha, but he comes and joins us every Wednesday.
Okay.
And then I navigate our patients through their journey, whether it be breast cancer or any other types of cancer we work with. So you have kind of a team in Blair, right here in Blair, that you can stay, do treatment, and get all the services, most of the services you need. We do have to refer out for some of that, but I handle all that, and it streamlines very well.
So obviously step one is to get screened because the earlier it's detected, the better you can treat it.
Yes, absolutely. And that's actually what I wanted to do is just take some time to remind people, get your mammograms. You can do that at the radiology department in Blair. And then also, this is a good time to honor, the survivors and stand with the people that are fighting breast cancer currently, and remember the people that we've lost and support our families.
Yeah. And so again, it's a very serious thing. People don't realize or think about it as much, but it's kind of falls in the background. But we have so many things going on in life that it's easy to skip past some of these basic screenings. So be able just to remind people. So does that mean that this month your screening is going to go up dramatically because all of a sudden people are like, oh, wait, I need to take care of that?
I mean, if that's something that can come out of this, that would be amazing, honestly. I don't know the statistics of it, but if we could get more people in and get their detection and catch it early, I would be very happy with that.
And the easiest way to be able to get a part of that, do you have to go through your regular medical doctor?
So yes, I don't know that a lot of people know, but you actually, if it's your yearly annual, I don't know that you even need an order from your primary. You can just
call in
and schedule your mammogram. It's covered by your insurance at 100% annually. So, yeah.
Do you know about the MD Save stuff, the special for this month?
No, I don't.
Okay, so
we're getting let in on something,
yes.
kids.
So we do have a special for October. If anyone's familiar with MD Save, it's a website that you can go on, and there's different screenings and things available at Memorial Community Hospital for a cheaper price if you self-pay, basic're is what it is.
So if you don't have insurance, or if if your deductible is massive or something like that, so you can certainly work through this to find a less expensive route.
Yes, so you can go to the MD Save website and actually purchase a voucher for a mammogram. That's $149 for the month of October. It does not have to be used right away in October. You have so many months to get that screening done. So in case you're not due in October or something like that, you can save it, but you have to purchase it during the month of October for that special price.
So if you're planning on being scheduled in the next couple of months, it's a very good thing to do.
Yes. And the link directly to that special is on our Facebook. So if you search for that breast cancer post, there is a link directly to it, so it makes it easy to find. So if that's something that someone's interested in, that's an option as well.
So definitely many options. So trying to take away as many excuses not to do it as possible. And so again, this is Breast Cancer Awareness Month for October, and you have local, have Rita and her team that go through the screening, and let's say you have the news that you do need to be treated for breast cancer, but you can do a lot right here.
Yes.
And so again, being able to provide those services in the comfort of friends and family right here is what it's all about, right?
Yes, absolutely. That's our biggest positive feedback we get from our patients is they just love to be able to stay in their community, not have to drive into Omaha or other surrounding areas, and their family can be with them during that process too.
Okay, so again, early detection, the better, because again, it gives more options and you have better chances. And again, you can find it all right here at Memorial Community Hospital and Health System. And of course, don't forget Pink Out. We'll make sure that gets on the social media so people can follow along with that. But again, it is just a reminder that how important that the women in our lives are mostly. It's just really focused in on that. So again, if you know somebody that tends to forget about themselves and their care, help encourage them. That's another thing you can do, is help them, guide them, encourage them to be able to take care of themselves, because we don't want the world without them.
Yep.
Right.
So,
Did you want to talk about some of the free services that we offer for our cancer patients, like the wigs and the bra fittings and stuff?
Yeah, so we actually have a resource room in the specialty clinic, and it is filled to the brim with wigs. We also have a lot of prosthetics for people that have had a mastectomy, whether it be on one side or bilateral, on both sides. So we have scarves, hats, all kinds of things that are free to the community. Even if you're not a oncology patient at MCH, I encourage people from the community to come in, take a look, and we can go through and have some fun, try on some wigs, and find something that you like.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so again, that's a free service right there. Mm-hmm. So somebody's donated to those causes, if not the hospital.
Yeah.
But again, just doing what you can for the community, for those members of our community. So again, follow along. It's mchhs.org. Mm-hmm. And learn more details about that. You can get directly to the link for the mammogram by going to, what was it again?
Facebook. It's on Facebook.
It's on Facebook. It is for that.
Yep.
And then for help finding discounted ways to be able to do things, but insurance covers it as well. It's a yearly thing. Just call up and set up those appointments, right?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get everybody in, and let's make sure everybody's healthy.
Yeah.
And again, because that's the better news is if you hear the news saying, hey, you're good, see you next year. Or it's like, hey, we found something. It's not necessarily the best news, but it is also, we found something. Now we can do something. Mm-hmm. So again, it's better to face forward and attack and be able to work together with a great community partner like Memorial Community Hospital and Health System. Anything else coming up? So, it's all about pink out. So let's go ahead and get everybody get those mammograms scheduled. Get the pink out materials out there, and let's go ahead support the women in our lives. Thank you for coming in today.
Yes, thanks for having us.